Summer is the perfect time to find your voice. I'm Kenya Moses, award-winning professional vocalist and founder and director of Kenya Moses Voice Studio. I've spent my entire career doing what I love, and now I'm passionate about helping the next generation of singers discover and develop their own unique voice. Every student at my studio gets a learning experience that's built just for them. A customized curriculum that meets you exactly where you are. We focus on building real vocal skills while making every lesson fun, encouraging, and confidence building along the way. And the summer doesn't end without a moment to shine. All students have the opportunity to perform at our end of summer group showcase, a real performance experience in a supportive, celebratory setting. This is where the work becomes magic. Summer sessions are forming now. Secure your spot, and let's make this summer the summer your voice takes center stage.